Hey viewer, in this video tutorial we will create the designs by using the pen tool. So let's change its pattern there and then go on making the further designs. Change its pattern as well. So there we will keep on editing. So there we have these visuals. Again we will change it. Now we will make the further designs. So we will create these designs as well. There is a structure we have generated on it.